Sorry guys, we're doing a slime video of different textures. Before this video, you have to like, subscribe, and share. So I'm gonna try. You guys have to listen. Okay, so that was number 1. It's okay feeling. The sound isn't that strong. I don't feel like any of these sounds are gonna be strong. If I want strong sounding slime, I need to get Peachy Babies. This is number 2. Okay, so that was number 2. This one is terrible. It's flimmy. Well, I know it looks cool. It feels like a freaking piece of rubber. Stretchy rubber. Yeah. Stretchy. Now my hands smell weird. Anyways. This is number 3. Okay. Oh, this one had a heart in it. Before I show you guys. Like, look at that little cute heart. So cute. Oh, sorry to ruin the moment, but anyways, time to listen. I'm gonna spiral it first so you guys can. I don't know what to say about this one. This one is a really nice texture. Smells amazing. It smells like fruit pie. And yeah, this one has to be a good one. But there is a 4th one to startle you. Okay, that one is going to my maybe. No. Wait, let me feel it again. Yeah, this is the flingy one, so. Nope. This one is the kind of soft one. Okay, this one's going on a yes. This one. Oh, sorry, that was. This one's going on a yes, too. I don't know how to tie this. This one's a small one, so I'm going to turn the camera around. Okay, here it is. I'm just... Oh, sorry. Anyways, that is it. This one's going on a no. Okay, so we've got our winner. These 2 are no's. It's between this one and this one. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. Okay. That one's okay. Yes. This one's so much fluffier and soft. This one popped. This wins, okay? Number 3 wins. 3 wins. I can't believe it. 3 wins. Okay, anyways, before I end this video, you have to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Only if they like slime. I'm only tolerating it if they like slime. Okay, anyways, bye. Make sure you do all 3.